What is quantum physics? Scientists are investigating how quantum theory can alter how we think about gravity and how it relates to space and time. Our fundamental knowledge of materials, chemistry, biology, and astronomy now includes quantum insights. These advancements allow for the development of previously regarded technology like quantum computers, which were earlier thought to be completely hypothetical. The study of quantum physics focuses on how various types of matter and energy interact with one another in ways that are difficult for us to understand. Wave-particle duality, entanglement, and superposition are among the basic ideas of quantum physics. A mathematical equation with several solutions or outcomes can be used to depict an object in superposition. Mathematical wave functions, which are responses to what is known as the Schrödinger equation, are frequently used to explain quantum things. In this sense, wave functions do not track with a physical attribute, rather, they just indicate the potential location of an item for an observer. In this case, the word observation is deceptive since it implies that consciousness is engaged. New technologies are developed due to utilizing quantum physics, both for current uses and potential ones in the future. Although quantum physics may appear enigmatic or nonsensical, nevertheless, whether we recognize it or not, it applies to everything around us.